Hi everyone, so I'm just trying out my new dash cam. This is the Mobius Maxi, and I've just got two of these fitted to the front and the back of the car. Now in the past I've had the Mobius 1 and the Mobius 2, and they were both great cameras. The Mobius 2 did have some issues with it, so they've now discontinued that, and this is effectively the Mobius 3. So the main features of this one are it can record it up to 4K, so I'll be doing some 4K videos soon. It's not actually a proper 4K camera, it's only a proper 2.7K camera, but it kind of simulates 4K, so that'll be quite interesting to try that. I haven't tried it yet, so we're just going to see how that goes and see how it looks. The one thing you can tell is different about this camera compared to the ones I normally use is that it's got a much wider field of view, so you can see much of the car now to the sides. You can probably see more of the dashboard than you could before. If you don't like that, because this is my first video I've done, I don't know what it looks like myself yet, you can actually change that so you can make it so it's a narrower field of view like it was on my other cameras. So yeah, I'm just giving this a quick test while I'm out and about. There's a lot of new features on this one. Another feature it now has sound, so the camera beeps to warn you when it's on and off. But there are lots and lots of new features on this one, and I'll be doing more of an in-depth video review of it soon. So if you want to see that review, just give this video a thumbs up and I'll be doing that. You'll be seeing loads of sample clips come in, such as 4K, 1080p. This is 1080p 60 frames a second, which is my favourite mode. It's not quite as detailed as the higher resolutions, but it looks smoother, the pictures are much smoother. Yeah, so loads of exciting things to try on this. It can even support an external microphone, so you can plug a microphone into this, which could be good. But yeah, lots to say about this. This is just a very quick trial, but I thought you might want to see it. And in the first lesson I've done with this camera, I've seen 2 crashes. So right as you come out of the centre, someone's got it wrong and smashed the car. Look. So this can be quite a hard one, as you can tell, that car being smashed. So they may let you go here, but if they do, probably you won't be able to see to the left still very well. Let's just have a look. In case, where can we go? That black one going to turn? No. You sort of have to doubt sometimes that they can turn when the car being smashed up. So we'll cross it around here. That looks like someone who didn't stop for the roundabout. Look, if someone came from the right and hit the back. And had one driving instructor tailgating us. Can you believe that? A driving instructor driving the car himself with his reef sign on, tailgating us. Tailgating a learner. Yeah. Anyway, so loads more stuff coming soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon for more videos.